How to use Mailbox intelligence to prevent false positives in Microsoft Defender for Office 365. False positives in Microsoft Defender for Office 365 anti-phishing policies can block legitimate emails, disrupting communication. A common scenario involves trusted senders being flagged due to strict impersonation protection rules. Thankfully, Mailbox intelligence can help mitigate this issue. What is Mailbox intelligence? Mailbox intelligence is a feature in Microsoft Defender for Office 365 that uses machine learning to analyze user behavior and recognize trusted senders. By leveraging historical communication patterns, it reduces false positives, ensuring legitimate emails are delivered without compromising security. Scenario overview. You deploy an anti-phishing policy, e.g. Policy 1, with impersonation protection enabled for a user such as user1@contoso.com. The policy inadvertently blocks emails from a regular contact, user1@fabm.com, due to perceived similarities in email addresses. To resolve this issue, enabling Mailbox intelligence ensures the contact is identified as trusted, allowing their emails to bypass the anti-phishing filters. Steps to enable Mailbox intelligence. 1. Access the anti-phishing policy. Go to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal, security.microsoft.com/security.microsoft.com/. Navigate to Policies and Rules, Threat Policies. 2. Edit the policy. Select the anti-phishing policy, e.g. Policy 1. Click Edit Settings. 3. Enable Mailbox intelligence. Locate the Mailbox intelligence section. Toggle it on to activate the feature. 4. Save changes. Click Save to apply the changes. Benefits of enabling Mailbox intelligence. 1. Reduces false positives. Automatically identifies trusted senders based on historical interactions. 2. Maintains security. Ensures that phishing protections remain robust while allowing legitimate emails. 3. Simplifies management. Eliminates the need for manually adding trusted contacts to allow lists. Best practices. Regularly review phishing detection logs to ensure Mailbox intelligence functions as intended. Educate users about the feature and encourage them to report any unusual blocks.